Assalamu alaikum, no swine in that. Boy, blood dead one side. I'm in a sin a lion that rifle up.
Can't stop, yeah, me want go for more. Formatic pan the bend, so it dark up the road. Bro, me locking pan the ends to my master, my flow. Blog a boy come like
Drop the new spaceship, me persuasive fast, I couldn't hear me. Me suit paper, source of blue flame, me hot like toothpick, go car.
Can't drive home G63 on the Benz, we a fly sport. Told me she have to fly without a passport. Just one dick. No, you don't want all of my games in this niggas head. They don't know what the fuck they really wanna play.
Sunday gone in the back, gone in the knees, baby shake it. Would you please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me.
Party with me, fly a car, party baby. Fucking a new Gyal and a dream, show me a tongue.
The gang will level up, I will not see. So do not make me pray, you are disappear season. All the cowboy in the make a call on me.
Move on pon the trigger now let go. Body stink now, how smell so. Easy yourself bro, rifle a push more power than them. Humans day in a year, praying on my room like say tight church. Before them style we are.
When you're ready, 38 degrees, 3 minutes is the goal.
3? He said 2.
3 minutes is the goal.
What is this good for? Better give some more fish. Oh my god. Oh. No, I can't.
You gotta sink in.
I can't do it.
Don't think about it. Go. The longer you take, the harder it's gonna get. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh.
Oh my god. I can't do 3 minutes. Only one. I'm a bad girl. You're a bad girl. Oh my god. I'm gonna come up. No, I'm cramped. I can't.
You come out whenever you're ready. Careful you don't slip. Good work.
No, sir.
When I lost to Blake at the championship, when he did this, I hugged him. I was like, bro, this will never happen again. I didn't even see when he did that. It was after I went and I watched over everything. I was like, nah, Blake, you're losing your mind, bro. You're losing your mind. What?
I saw it. I was like, yo, what's going on? I was like, oh man, you about to activate the big man night? What you doing?
Because we had 1 month to the Olympics after that. I had one more race in Monaco. I canceled that shit. I was like, nah. They would have gave me so much money to come. The guy kept up the money. Every day Ricky called me like, add more money to it. I was like, nah, I'm not going. Stop calling me. I'm going to train for this month. You must be crazy. You know what I mean? Bro, I probably could have broken the road record to get her ran closer. I didn't give her shit. I just wanted to beat him. You know I never do shit. You see, I did push-ups and everything. I was so pissed.
But I knew it was coming though. He about to wild out, man.
Yeah, I did push-ups after her. She's like, oh, I'm screaming shit. Yeah.
Because I say bounty for work thing and rare. More time, the man them for lower for the name thing and just do the work. I mean the truth I gonna hurt them. I mean start the name thing. But some man a carry it over the limit now. What you know say? Me know say if me do a tune and call bounty kill and name it a cast a fire. So low the man name.
Some man a talk about it tune, we a talk about it tune. I me do sucky ducky. You see me I say I me do she's one of them tunes. So one man say Vegas to go find some it tune. Mediocre artist what? Respect the bounty killer, you have all that big bad tune them, yeah? But Vegas fine tune too. I me used to sleep on floor and you used to tell figure so me for disrespect you. You see me I say I love. See me I say I can't disrespect bounty killer. I have big up bounty killer and them take it for disrespect. That means if you sure say some man really have a level. I literacy.
These things are the things that I Bomba clot talk about. And when I get so fucking upset, I don't bother blood clot talk English Bomba clot grammar. Cause them things that get me very Bomba clot upset. Seen? And all because, you know why? I am not singing darling, I blood clot love you and come shake my rask and I swim the ocean and climb the mountain. See? And that not going to change me. Seeing because I am going to kill the fuckery out there. And people is going to be in demand for the truth. People is sick and tired of hearing Bomba clad, get down, shake your fucking booty. Seeing? People is sick and tired of hearing darling, I blood clad, love you. You turn on the fucking radio 24 Bomba clad hours a day. You hear darling, I love you. A man wouldn't sing to the almighty ras clad. Him love him woman more than the creator who create the sun, the moon and the Bomba clad star. I sick and tired of hearing that Bomba.
We tell our kids if they do right and they make the good grades and they go to the programs and they will become successful. If you work hard enough, your work will be paid off. And that's not true. Success is given. It's not earned.
A young man asked me about Anthony Mackie's statement, and although it carries some truth, it's not a universal truth, and it can be misleading, especially to our youth. Success is both given and earned. Yahushua said, to whom much is given, much is required. So while opportunities may come, it's what we do with them that determines success. Yahushua also said, many are called, but few are chosen. Many are invited to serve Yah, but being chosen requires faith, obedience, discipline, and perseverance. So yes, success often involves someone choosing you, but if you're not prepared, the opportunity will pass. Yahushua's words remind us that being given something isn't the end, it's actually the beginning of the responsibility.